In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this viral rose sleeve, and this is so simple to make. So if this is what you're interested to learn how to do, please stay tuned and watch till the end of this video. Thank you. Now to do this first, I already have my sleeve drafted pattern. This is for a short sleeve, so I'll be dividing it into two just this way, but I wouldn't reach the extreme. Okay, I'll just cut it into two, but I'll leave small to the extreme side, maybe about 1 inch. Okay, look at it. Now I'm going to be placing this on my fabric. What I'm using for this video is a mirror face. You can use whatever material that you want to do this design on, but before then I want to cut out the one that will serve as the lining of the sleeve. Okay, so I folded my pattern paper back, into the normal sleeve form. I'll be using this pattern to cut the back sleeve first, then I will now raise it up and then use it to cut the other side with that slitted side. Okay, so I'll place this slitted pattern paper on this fabric and then open it up. One thing I love about this sleeve is that it's very simple to do, but yet it looks so fine and sophisticated. So you can try it out, and it's very simple. Okay, so I'll just open this up this way and then let it just be as if it's a square. Okay, then I'll trace it out and cut it out. It's very simple. You saw the way I just placed it, and I made sure that I had something that looks like a square. I opened it up, then I just traced it out. Please, whenever you're cutting, ensure that you're cutting at the back, because you will need to mark something here. Now, because I didn't mark mine at the back, I'll flip the fabric, then place my pattern paper back, because I'm going to need to mark on this fabric. So I'll be using my check and I'll be marking where to just marking the square side generally. Okay, so I'm just marking out the square side. Okay, because it's this part that is going to be forming this rose. Okay, so I will close this up. Okay, this end to this other end, just this way, and you can see that part that I marked is still very visible. So I just adjust this very well, and then I'll be stitching from this point to the extreme. Okay, I'll be stitching it just this way down, and then I'll flip it. But let me just do that and bring to you. So I've just done that, and then I'll be flipping it like this. You can see that it just looks like the normal sleeve again, but with this part inside, I will just bring it out just like as if you're forming a goddess, and that's all. The rose is already forming by itself. I hope you can actually see the rose. Let me do this again. Okay, so I will fold this out. I want to fold it so that you can see how simple it is to make the sleeve, so you can see the rose. Now I'm going to use that this part that doesn't have a slit, and then stitch on this part. This side is serving as my lining. Okay, so I'll just stitch on this part that I've indicated for you, and then I have just done that. I'll flip it to the back or to the front, then you can see how it looks. I'll go ahead and then iron this out. Okay, so I'm just trying to arrange it out so that I can stitch on it. I already threaded my needle, then I'm going to be stitching this, okay, so that it doesn't shift even after stitching it to a dress. Okay, so I tied the knot of my thread, and then I'll just stitch, okay, just back and front, just the normal way, just to ensure that that flower has a firm grip and it doesn't shift. You can actually do this for both a short sleeve and a long sleeve. Once you have done this, you can easily attach this to your sleeve. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.